The right person for you? The right person for you will understand that it's not about perfection, but about progress. And they will love you just for trying your best. The right person for you will tell you exactly what you need to hear and then show up right beside you to face that exact fear. They will never make you feel unwanted, and not for a second will they take you for granted. They will love you regardless of all the things that you lacked, and in the exact same way, you will love them back. The right person for you will make you level up when all you want to do is give up. Even though perfection is not something that either of you chase, for them, you will be perfect with a little bit of grace.